have so many ideas.
So guys, this is the only cafe in Bombay where you can make your own salad.
Right, and they have the best salads. I have nutcracker all the time. I even order at home. बहुत अच्छा.
So guys, here's you'll get the menu. Then you have to pick the menu. Okay, I'll show you. After picking the menu, you have to pick in what all you need.
And they also have it. You can see inside how they make it. They have the whole salad bar. And you can have a look also. You can show them, but
We'll go there and show it to you.
super
healthy.
Different. Where's the salads?
Here. So this is your favorite cafe in Mumbai? Huh?
Yes, my favorite salad place. They have the salad bar, so you can choose from anything: base, veggies, premium, cheese. And as a model or somebody who wants to be healthy, this is just the best.
But sometimes it's really confusing because when you have to make your own salad,
That's why I just pick. But you could potentially, if you have like specific requests.
because there are many things which I even don't know. Take this mic. I'll show you.
Okay.
Like, I don't know where's the when we have to make
Salad bar, yeah.
You know what is like? I'll ask you a few things. Like there are many things which I don't know. But you know everything. What is
is-
it? Spicy
Aubergine.
aubergine. What
Oh,
is
yes,
this?
easy. It's like a bake, like a purple aubergine. Have you never seen
No, I
the?
don't know. What is aubergine? Like
The-
brinjal.
You have never seen the? It's a vegetable.
I
Aubergine.
guess it's brinjal, right?
Wait.
Aubergine.
Aubergine. You have never seen the aubergine emoji?
No. Brinjal. That's brinjal. In India we say brinjal. Purple thing. Purple.
Ah, yeah. Eggplant.
Brinjal,
Eggplant wala, I
and
think.
Brinjal, okay.
And then
Okay, aubergine, I
also
didn't know, guys. And but let's. This is good. Zoodles. What is this? Zoodles.
zoodles is like a noodle made out of zucchini. It looks like a
Noodles made out of
zucchini.
zucchini.
Zucchini. It's a really healthy. It's a keto way of. I can cook this. I make zoodles a lot for my friends. So they look like they're pasta, but they're made out of zucchini. It gives a little bit of a taste of pasta. So if you're living keto friendly, it's a good option to cook at home. I show you how zoodles look like.
भाई क्या रखा है दुनिया में? I never know what zoodles was. I never seen a zoodles in my life.
Low carb, gluten free. Look, it's like this.
Zoodles.
Zoodle pasta. This is a mix of zoodle and noodle.
Okay.
Do you know what? I don't know what this is. Gherkins.
Gherkins? I don't know. What is this?
I don't know.
So guys, if you have to come here, then you have to use your brain because there's so many weird things.
Or you need to have Google.
Yeah. Let this is gherkins.
Gherkins.
Yeah.
I don't know.
What it is. Rest we know. Grated means like छील देते हैं कैरेट को बीटरूट सब कुछ
It's
समझ
something like a pickle.
हाँ?
It's a pickle.
Okay, a pickle or something.
Gherkins pickle.
Rest things I think we know.
All good.
Okay.
So good. Salad is so good.
What is this? Amarnath.
It sounds like something Indian. Amara.
No, it's not Indian.
Amara.
So yeah, guys. When you'll come here, you have to use your brain because you can't order anything without knowing it.
Oh, you need to use Google, yeah.
Oh, you don't need chat GPT. Huh?
What is this?
Guys, this is Amarnath. It's a like salad, I think so. Or red lettuce. Red lettuce is known as Amarnath.
Is it? Wow.
So, what all Indian food you have tried till now in your life? Pick. Tell me your favorite.
My favorite is chaat. I like to eat chaat. Papdi chaat is really good.
Okay.
I like pani puri.
Okay.
I like vada pav. I like dosa. You know, really nice.
You like every food, but like which is the worst food you don't like? Any food which you don't like?
So far, I haven't tried something I don't like, but I don't like it too spicy because my German stomach doesn't handle. I cannot handle too spicy food. So if you make a biryani, please, if you invite me, thoda garam, yeah.
Thoda less spicy when
Or I need a lot of curd also.
curd, dahi,
Good guy, good
The-
one.
curd,
Good curd.
Greek yogurt.
Yeah, but like a mix, you know, like you make it. I don't know how you make it in India. You mix some herbs in it.
Yeah, bundi, carrot, so many raitas. We have
Oh my god,
we
masala.
say that's raita. You know,
What?
when we mix something in curd, it's raita.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, I'll tell you one thing. Like we are in Bombay right now, and nobody's looking at us. They are minding their own business. If we would have been in Delhi, everyone would be facing us.
We will see Delhi. I'm curious. I'm
I'm
gonna.
telling you, Delhi would be fun. I have to protect her by the way because I have strong muscles.
Bodyguard.
Yeah.
मेरा bodyguard है ना.
I'll be her bodyguard because in Delhi everyone will be looking at her. I know because with Liz this happened. When Liz was with me, Everyone was like, So yeah, then I gave them a punch, you know.
Really? Wow. My protector.
So, I,
I'll wait for that. I want to see that. Yeah.
so I'll take her to the one of the most crowded places in Delhi. We'll buy her a sari or something. I'll take her to Chandni Chowk.
Yes. I want to have some traditional.
And she have never been to a like wedding in Delhi.
I've
In
never
India.
been to any wedding. I always wanted to go, but nobody invites me. You know, like I don't know why.
So I'll take you to an Indian wedding. So her salad is here, guys. This is a small one. See this. Her small salad is such a big salad.
This is my hand, just for comparison,
Ah.
just to show how big it is.
Super big.
And I have really big hands.
So yeah. So you had this salad before.
Yes, it's my favorite salad. It's really good.
Okay. So taste it and let me know the reviews about it.
Great.
So guys, I ordered a wrap, spinach wrap or something. So
Palak.
पालक ओ
Palak wrap.
भाई सब पता है तो कह रही मैंने स्पिनच बोला कि पालक हाँ
Aloo, palak.
यू कैन बी अ वेजिटेबल सेलर आल्सो पालक ले लो पालक ले
Let's do
लो
that. Let me take over one of these sellers one time. Let's do that. Chalo, next time.
भाई आज ये we can do this it's a nice concept
Yes.
a foreign girl selling आलू ले लो आलू
I
कांदा
like the sweet potato wala we just had.
yeah we can sell sweet potatoes also yeah.
I learned how to do it. I also know how to make chole masala.
really when you are making this for me
I'll make it for you
oh in Delhi
in Delhi.
in my kitchen
Yes.
okay I'll get the stuff
Perfect. ठीक है चलो.
chalo guys let's like
wait, I
eat
need
it
to try.
yeah give me the review of it so yeah have it from bowl only right
Wow.
yeah why you wanna put in the
Wait. Oh. Mm,
out of 10
11.
11
No, they have like nuts, roasted chili nuts. They have these. The cheese is so good, and they have this sweet also. The what is it called? The sweet one. Yeah.
this is cranberries
Do you say yeah or isco?
yeah
Yeah. Isco is this no?
Isko means that yeah Isko means
Uske
that
is you.
Isko means that and
Uske?
Uske means that only yeah that only
Same.
same
Uske isco.
Uske Isko means like Isko Pete do that means him I don't know like how can I say
Wow, thanks. Like, he
I-
told me he's gonna be my Hindi teacher. Can you see how good it works?
my Hindi is fine but I'm not getting yeah.
So you guys, if my Hindi is bad, blame him. He's my teacher.
Guys I'll teach you Haryanvi I'll teach you Haryanvi it's a different accent you say this like यो बहुत कैड़ा है
Yo, बहुत करा है.
no no ये वो बहुत कैड़ा
Yeah,
no ये बहुत कैड़ा है
ये बहुत रेरा है.
अरे यो खाना बहुत कैड़ा है यो नो खाना फर्स्ट ईट इट खाना
खाना.
नॉट खाना या ईट इट
एक सेकंड.
भाई इसकी हिंदी कितनी सही है कहती है 1 सेकंड
2 सेकंड.
2 सेकंड ओ भाई साहब यू नो काउंटिंग इन हिंदी
दो नहीं 5.
1 2
देन
then 3 3
1 2 3
4
4
5
5. हाँ 5 is 5. I only need 1 2 and 5 in my life.
why
1 minute 2 minutes. Longer you don't wait anyways. It's always 1 or 2 minutes. Nobody says 3 minutes, right? When you wait for the rickshaw, you're like 2 minutes there. 2 minutes. 5, I don't know. 5 is just a nice number.
okay 1 2 और 5
And one of my favorite words is samach.
समझ
Samach, isn't it like
चम्मच स्पून
Mela samach bahut acha na. Samach, that sounds so fun. Samach. I just like to say that.
so guys yeah and also like I know why 5 is her favorite number because she had 5 boyfriends in her life
Nee, I wait for my 5th boyfriend. That's why.
okay so yeah guys let's have food let my food come then I'll also review it let's see okay but this is the best plate for salad in entire India not just Bombay
You guys come here. Have the
and
best
come
salad.
with your partner girlfriend
Yeah, have your date here. They will just love the food. They might not focus on you, but they will remember you.
because
as
you
good
took them
food.
to a nice place
If yes, you know it connects memories in your head. If they know the food was good, automatically you're better also.
are you looking at the expression
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
are you an actor by any chance
हाँ. Obviously, I'm an actor. Who is not an actor in Bombay? Tell me
so
that.
you can switch emotions in like seconds
Yes.
show me your anger face
No, not now. I need to be in my
so happy face
zone.
happy face
You already see it.
so guys pick a plate. My plate is looking nicer than her, right? See, so many things. This is hummus, this is a wrap, and this is sprouts, full of protein.
Well, salad. Come on, it's a salad place. Obviously, I have salad.
So they filled a salad inside this wrap, right? So I'm having fun. Salad as well as a wrap.
But the wrap is more calories.
No, it's made of spinach. Okay. How would you say spinach in Germany? German.
Spinat.
Spinach.
Spinat.
Spinach.
Spinat.
Okay. How would you say a handsome guy in German?
I will tell you when I see one.
देख रहे हो तेज हो रही है भाई केरे कभी दिखेगा बता दूंगी तो भाई करते हैं टेस्ट लेट्स टेस्ट इट आई विल गिव यू द रिव्यूज ऑफ इट कैन यू होल्ड द माइक फॉर मी या सो गाइस हियर गोस माय फर्स्ट बाइट
Yeah.
food here is the best in the entire India I'm telling you not just Bombay crazy come here guys come here
Nowhere else. I mean, yes, there are other good places, but for salad, healthy stuff,
so
there's
now
a few good ones. This one is really good.
so now let us have our food see you later
Bye bye. Tada tada.
tata
Tada.
see you in the auto guys when we are heading back home
See you.
guys after having food here you'll be like you'll feel like burping at that particular moment there's a girl with me that's why I'm not burping it doesn't look nice but otherwise I would have done
Just do it. You're my friend anyway. I'm your brother. This is my bro.
we are bro guys if you're
How
thinking
do I say bro in Hindi? Like,
bhai
bye. मेरा भाई है. ये वाला. इसको. इसको. इसको मेरा भाई है.
ये मेरा भाई है
ये मेरा भाई है ना. हाँ.
तू मेरा भाई है
तुम मेरा भाई है.
तू मेरा भाई मैं तेरा भाई I'm your brother you are my
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
say this तू मेरा भाई मैं तेरा भाई
आराम से यार.
तू मेरा भाई
तू मेरा भाई.
मैं तेरा भाई
मैं तेरा भाई. हाँ. I hope that.
so yeah guys
Sometimes I have trust issues with him because he might teach me something bad. So you guys now.
so guys we guys are brother don't think anything else literally bros
Brother from another mother. Same father. That's why we look so similar.
no I look prettier
That's not true. You guys tell me who looks prettier, he or me. I think.
भाई अब यार भाई के लिए इतना नहीं कर सकते प्लीज भाई
If you have to beg for it, it means that you're not. See, I'm not even begging.
guys be transparent okay no please I'm taking my please
Yeah.
I'm taking my please back so yeah who's more pretty Greta or Utkarsh just comment G or U okay
Yes.
let's see who wins
Love you
if,
guys.
no if I'll win what I'll get if you'll win what you'll get if
Okay, you tell me.
if you will win then I'll take you to Rishikesh if I'll win you'll take me to Singapore
Okay, ठीक है. चलो. Let's go.
ठीक है
ठीक है.
चलो गाइस ठीक है ओके हम भी चलते हैं बस अब रिक्शा बुला के ओके भैया स्कैनर ले आओ और ये थोड़ा पैक करा हुआ है
Life.
सो या गाइस
On the way home.
on the way home we are super tired
This
I'm full till here till my brain what about you
I'm really full and then.
we have packed the salad
Yes. And it's the small one. Imagine, and now we're driving in the rickshaw and it's like boof, boof, boof. It's like a challenge just to get your food to keep it inside now.
yeah
But yeah,
so yeah when we reach home our food will be digested
it will be mixed up also inside your stomach
Mixed up also,
because
right.
of the drive.
so guys if you are coming to Bombay you should try Bombay Salad Company crazy food crazy place if you want to suggest them few more food like there's a cafe Farmers Cafe you should go there any other place the cafe the bar you were saying
Oh, this is a
what's
like an Indian bar, you know, like a Janata bar. It's like a proper drinking Indian, you know.
okay Janta Bar there's a place Janta Bar where you can go cheap drinks cheap like crowd is nice but yeah you can get the Indian vibe there okay
It's like a chill, like a normal crowd, you know. It's not nothing fancy. It's like the most basic bar you can find, but it's like really like homey, you know, like chill. I prefer these bars because it's just chill. Nobody cares what you're doing. You just do your stuff. Sometimes, guys, simplicity is everything. Simplicity is the key.
so yes guys this was it I don't recommend you to going to any bar or something because you should quit drinking is not good for your health
But you can eat there. You can have a nimbu pani, you know.
yeah you can have a banta So yeah, guys, this was it for this vlog. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, take care. मजे लेते रहो. You have one life. Bye, guys. Now, because phone charging is also less, I have to like end this vlog. Okay, guys. Bye.
Bye bye.
In Hindi. Tata.
Tata. Tata.